And the rough early lead is taken by Arvin Dugo from the outside. And running in second is Lord of War. High Money moving up on the inside. And Barkley, Beyond Good, and Lexibone is bringing up the rear. And heading for the backstretch is Arvin Dugo on the outside. And by the rail is Lord of War, High Money, and Barkley moving up on the outside. And Beyond Good. And into the backstretch, Arvin Dugo by half a length, followed by entry number 5, and that is Lord of War. And moving up by the rail is entry number 1, High Money, and Barkley running in fourth on the outside, and Beyond Good. Nearing the far turn, Arvin Dugo on the outside, and Lord of War by the rail, and Barkley now running in third by 3.5 lengths, High Money by the rail, and here comes Beyond Good moving up now. Rounding the far turn, Arvin Dugo on the outside, and by the rail is Lord of War, Barkley closing in third, and Beyond Good now running in fourth, and by the rail is High Money. Arvin Dugo by half a length, followed by Lord of War by the rail, and here comes Barkley moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Arvin Dugo in the lead, followed by Lord of War by the rail, and moving up on the outside is Barkley. And at the top of the stretch, Arvin Dugo, and moving up on the outside is Barkley, and by the rail is Lord of War. Lord of War, Arvin Dugo in between horses, and Barkley now moving up on the outside. It's Barkley on. Is entry number 5, Lord of War, and Arvin Dugo, but it's still Barkley in the lead. And finally at the payoff line, the horse of Mayor Benhar Abalos, Barkley, winning the 2-year-old colt.